Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this cushion, this pillow cushion that this brand sent to me for the video. I think this thing is fantastic. There is a before and after this, almost 18 inches by almost 5 inches tall right here on the kind of like on the upper part over here with this really nice and soft memory foam pillow that I think it's fantastic. Not only for when you're working from home or productivity and put it like in your office chair, you can actually put it in a wheelchair if you need, you can put it in a sofa if you need, you can put it in your car seat if you need. So it's very versatile, I have to say. As I was telling you before, it's 18 inches, and on the upper part, on the taller part, it's kind of like 4.8 inches. It comes with a washable cover that you're gonna see right here with the zipper, so you can actually open this and wash it if you need, how many times you need. And you can see right here the memory foam, which it is super soft and thick and cushion as well. I do like this one because it comes with kind of like a really nice and ergonomic curve over here, so you can put this on the back and it's gonna kind of like give you a really nice support. Let me show you. So as you can see over here, you put this way, just this part on the front part, I want to say. And since this is really cushioned, it has this really nice curve right here for your legs. You're gonna feel that when you're sitting, let me show you just like this, it kind of like, oh, it gives like a really nice support right here. I have to say that it takes kind of like a few seconds to sit on the actual position that you're going to be sitting, because it is super thick, almost 5 inches tall. So it takes a few seconds for you to actually witness and feel the perfect position for this. With a good chair with a really nice lumbar support, it is the perfect thing to have. It is a before and after. You're not going to be wanting to sit in any other chair that doesn't have this one, because it is super nice for your legs, for circulation, and also of course to feel really nice on your lower back area when you're sitting for long periods of time. This thing is a must-have for the home office, but also for gaming and for long travels if you're driving for a long period of time. And also I have to say that if you need to use this on a wheelchair or something like that, you can also do it. I love it. It is a before and after, so I'm going to give it a 110% recommended with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.